Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Streamio on an Android phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open Chrome on your Android device and visit Streamio.com to download the official app. When you open the website, it will prompt you to install the Streamio app. Go ahead and download it. Once the installation is complete, open the Streamio app on your phone. After launching it, sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and simple interface where you can explore different sections like your media library, official channels, and content recommendations. Use the search bar at the top to find your favorite content. You can watch any content you legally own or access via official add-ons like YouTube and free public domain channels. And the app automatically organizes everything in one place for easy access. So that's basically how you can use Streamio, your all-in-one media hub, on an Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up.